Hello, my name is Shri,
And my name is Amir.
and we're the co founders of Unitic, a tech startup based in Glasgow with a vision to make roads a safer and happier place. In March 2020, I was driving from Hamilton to Glasgow and I noticed the driver behind me was tailgating. This had me instantly nervous, and as I saw a faded giveaway line, I had to stop, and this ended up in a rear end collision, fortunately, resulting in only minor damages. Researching around this issue, we found shocking facts like 1 in every 8 serious casualties on our roads are caused because of tailgating. And tailgating also causes hundreds of millions of pounds of damages to the UK economy every year. We were most surprised to know that most tailgaters are doing it unintentionally, as indicated by Highways England. Several campaigns were launched by the concerned authorities. However, technology, especially smart devices, have not yet addressed this issue, which we found to be a considerable gap in the market.
For drivers who are paranoid of tailgating and feel unsafe while driving, RoadSage is the world's first rear collision warning systems with a built-in dash cam and parking assistance. RoadSage aims to fill the communication gap amongst drivers to make driving a safe practice. Unlike normal dash cam, RoadSage can display text, emojis, and other graphic formats while keeping a record in HD via built-in dashcam. We started working on RoadSage in January 2021, and since then we have built 3 different prototypes to test the technology and its effectiveness to end tailgating and reduce rear-end collisions. RoadSage utilizes different advanced technologies like LiDAR and ultrasonic sensors to detect potential rear-end collision and display warning on the ultra-wide LED display. It has a 5 megapixel of HD camera and end-to-end support from the voice-assisted mobile app. Recent tests carried out by Unitic on Glasgow City Street showed that 21 out of 30 tailgating drivers pulled back safely when maintained safe distance warning was displayed on RoadSage prototype. We believe that RoadSage will make driving easier and provide a smooth driving experience for our users and make road a safer and happier place. Now we have the fully functional prototype ready for the launch. We also plan to run a pilot production by the end of May 2022. RoadSage comes in 3 different tiers offering different benefits and features at different price points.
Now, coming to the competitive and market landscape. RoadSage is the world's first rear collision warning system, and it has the potential advantage to be the first to the market. RoadSage does not have any direct competition, although we have 2 indirect competitors based in the US who are fairly new without any unique selling point. Further digging down into our competitive landscape, we have also taken dash cams and parking assistance systems into our consideration. RoadSage lies within the advanced driver assistance market, which was estimated to be roughly £22.8 billion in 2021, and it is likely to exceed £48.5 billion by 2028. Primary market research carried out by Unitic revealed that a considerable number of drivers, specifically those who have young families, stated tailgating as an on-road problem they face regularly. It was also concluded that their family and car safety is the primary concern for them while driving. Also, secondary market research indicated that people with young families have the budget to solve this problem and are actively looking for a solution. This target segment is the low-hanging fruit. Their market size is 700,000 per year for the United Kingdom and 375,000 per year for the United States. For the first 2 years, RoadSage would be sold online via Unitic's website, Amazon, and eBay directly to consumer with a transactional revenue model, simultaneously offering in-app purchases. Unitic's team consists of 3 members, including myself, responsible for product and business development, Amir Khan, heading operations and marketing, and Adesh Thakur, looking after software development. Our team has acquired all the core skills required to bring RoadSage to market.
RoadSage would penetrate the market with the help of a rewards crowdfunding campaign, which, when successful, would accelerate the company's growth. The global crowdfunding market size is estimated to reach 1.3 billion US dollars as the COVID-19 pandemic has positively impacted the market. RoadSage crowdfunding campaign is scheduled to go live in August 2022 for 35 days. Our target is to raise £50,000 with a marketing spend of £15,000. We will acquire customer by leveraging digital marketing such as social media, search engine marketing, influencer, and affiliate marketing, using platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram, and our own website. These platforms are widely used by our customer segment. We have successfully raised £6,000 from Santander till date, and one of the world's leading crowdfunding agencies, Launchboom, has also agreed to work with us. We have a growing community of backers with 129 email subscribers and 32 Facebook group members. We are giving you an opportunity to invest £150,000 in exchange for 20% of the company. Raise fund would help us deliver our first crowdfunding campaign, specifically for developing creative content, funding ad spend, product certifications, and developing our next innovative product. We invite you to become a part of our mission, which is to make roads a safer and happier place. Thank you.